Hello students, today's video is actually the continuation of our previous video of this chapter, that is quadrilateral. Here we will learn the results on rectangle and square. So here let's see what are actually the properties of this rectangle and squares are there. Theorem number 7, it asks for prove that each angle of a rectangle rectangle is a right angle. That is, ABCD is a rectangle. It is given ABCD as a rectangle whose angle A is 90 degree. So we need to prove that all the angles are 90 degree. That is, the angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal to angle D equal to 90 degree. Now prove ABCD is a rectangle, we know. That is by definition, if it is ABCD is a rectangle, then ABCD is a parallelogram also, no? So we know that is a definition. The rectangle is a parallelogram whose one angle is 90 degree. So here this is a parallelogram. If this is parallelogram, then this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. So here AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Now if AB parallel to DC and BC is the transversal, or AB parallel DC and BC is the transversal, then we can tell, that is, we can just take over here, that is angle B plus angle C. It will be just, let's see once again, it is here, we are just taking this angle A and angle B. Then AD, just take AD parallel BC. AD parallel BC and AB is the transversal. Then this angle plus this angle, it will be 180 degree because this is co-interior angle, no? Now if it is 90 degree it is given, then definitely it will be angle B equal to, it will be 90 degree. 180 minus 90, because co-interior angle, you know, this is sum of two angles equal to 180 degree. Now angle C equal to angle A, we know that is the opposite angle of a parallelogram, and angle B equal to angle D, then all angles are actually equal to 90 degree. This is the proof theorem number 7. The theorem number 8 is given, prove that the diagonals of a rectangles are equal. Here ABCD is a rectangle, it is given, AC and BD are two diagonals, need to prove that is AC equal to BD. Now in triangle, prove. In triangle ABC, ABD and triangle ABC, these two triangles, what is actually given? AD equal to BC because the opposite sides of the rectangle. This AB equal to AB, this is common side of these two triangles, and angle DAB equal to angle ABC. This is 90 degree, we know that is the angle of the any rectangle equal to 90 degree. So angle side, angle side, this is actually criteria. SAS is meeting over here. So we can just tell that is AC equal to BD and this is CPCD. Now this is actually the converse of theorem number 8. It is asked for if the two diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. Here's two diagonals, AC and BD. In the previous one it was actually just to prove that is these diagonals are equal. Here these diagonals are equal, we need to prove this is a rectangle. See, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, it is given, this is the two diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then it is a rectangle. And AC equal to BD, it is given. This is parallelogram, that is this equal to this, and this is parallel to this, and this parallel to this. And AC equal to BD is given. So in triangle ABC and in triangle BCD, see here, this side equal to this side, the opposite side of a parallelogram, and BC is the common to each other, and AC equal to BD is given. So these two triangles are congruent, SSS criteria. Then we can tell ABC angle ABC angle equal to angle BCD angle. See, this is actually CPCD. As because AB parallel CD, because this is a parallelogram, and BC is the transversal, then we can just tell this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. This is co-interior angle. If these two angles are now equal, then definitely each angle is 90 degree. So we can just tell that is a parallelogram with one angle. If it is 90, then it will be a rectangle. As per definition we know. Here this is a parallelogram whose angle this P, angle C, and this is opposite angles are also equal. So all angles are 90 degrees. So we can just conclude that is ABCD is a rectangle. Next is number 10. Theorem number 10 is asks for prove that the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. This is a given. This is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD, these are the two diagonals. It is actually intersect at O. We need to prove that is this is bisect each other at 90 degree. Means bisect means AO equal to OC and OB equal to OD, and it is actually 90 degree. That is AC perpendicular to BD. Prove. See, as because this is a parallelogram. Rhombus is also a parallelogram, no, whose all sides are equal. As because these are the parallelogram, then the diagonals of a parallelogram we know that is they bisect each other. So here we can just conclude that is OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. This is the first part of the that is a required proof. This one. And now in triangle BOC and triangle DOC, these two triangles, this and this, what is actually just given? See here, this is we know, and this side equal to this side is the equal sides of the rhombus we know, and this is OC equal to OC. That is actually SSS criteria. Then we can just tell this triangle equal to congruent to this triangle. Now if it is this angle and this angle, it will be CPCD. This angle equal to this angle. See here, this angle plus this angle, this actually linear pair, and this, if these two angles are equal, then each angle must be 90 degree. That is, this OC is perpendicular on BD, and that is actually AC is perpendicular on BC. Hence the diagonals bisect at 90 degree of a rhombus. Theorems are actually based on the property of the parallelogram, of different types of parallelogram, that is it is rectangle, square, and also that is a rhombus. In my next video, all these some other theorems are there. On the base of this, we shall complete that one. Then we shall go to the exercise directly, just applying all these theorems.